My name is Erik Dortmans. I'm a teacher within the ICT and Technology program. I'm an experienced guy working a long time experience in industry for 25 years, and before that working at the university, and now more than 5 years at Fontis. Okay, I just want to tell you something about the things I'm interested in, and that's the technology domain. Like I said, I'm a teacher within the ICT and Technology domain. What is it about? It's about writing software not to run on laptops. It's to write software to drive hardware. And hardware, I mean things. Things like cars, things like TVs, things like coffee machines, whatever. All these devices have one thing in common. They are just devices doing nothing if there's no software inside. And the software inside and the software that drives it, that's the software where I am interested in. And that's where ICT and Technology is about. Yeah. There are a lot of companies, certainly in the surroundings of Eindhoven, interested in ICT and Technology graduates. And why? That's because all these companies here, they make high-tech machinery, high-tech devices, self-driving cars, wafer steppers, printers, medical devices, whatever. And in all these devices, they need skilled ICT and Technology graduates, and thus they're in big demand. Now, finding a job is certainly not a problem. We have a lot of companies phoning us or visiting us and asking for, do you have any good graduates? Because we are in high need of all. There's so much software to be written because we want to make all our devices smarter and smarter. After graduating here, you will probably join the industry as a software engineer in the technology domain. And depending on your talents, and that's your talents, you will become anything you like. You can become an architect and get further in that direction. You will also become a team leader, project manager, whatever your talents are and whatever you want to become.
Hello, I'm Tom Zeller. I'm studying at Fontis ICT and Technology. I chose to study because I like to work with different environments like robots, industry, computer, and see how my programming affects these environments and how they act with the code. My study ICT and Technology is based on learning how to work in different environments and try to program deeply on them, compared with software engineering, which is more looking at writing programs on top of these environments and mainly on personal computers. My study is going deeper inside the code. Furthermore, ICT and software is halfly software, halfly looking at the business side of ICT, how to manage teams and how to structure a project and plan it. My study, ICT and Technology, focus on the hardware and how to program on specific hardware, while ICT and software is more talking about the level above it, how to write programs which runs on hardware, and also the business side of a project, how to manage a project and to plan it, while ICT and business is mostly talking about the business side of ICT, which is about getting the finance, communicating between the business layer and the IT layer of a company. I made my decision as I started studying at Fontis, and since then I didn't regret my choice. Even though it's the hardest study in Fontis ICT, but it's the area I really like, so it's not a matter for me. I haven't done an internship yet, but I'm going to soon. So I went in contact with a lot of IT companies, and they offered me quite a range of projects I could do, like building a communication layer between two cars that they could communicate and exchange information, or for a car which detects people in a blind spot and sends a message to the driver. These are all based on embedded system because it's the field of my studies. This program gives you a big range of work fields you can work in. I personally look into becoming a technical programmer, or also called embedded programmer, which work on new devices like printers or robots and try to make the software for them. But of course, as technical programmer, you can also work in the software field and do any other programming work also.